Welcome back to Jay's Kitchen. We're here in the fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And today, I'm taking a little break from the old savory. Something quick, something easy, but it's just some banana bread. And I get to bust this little baby out. So, why not? We're gonna start it off with, say we're making some banana bread. Figured a nice chocolate stout would be nice, no? Samuel Smith. Favorite brewery right there. Ooh. I really like banana bread. I really like the day after banana bread because I like to make French toast with said banana bread. Cheers, eh? I'm gonna test this little bad girl out. So, bring that up. I'm just gonna start off real light there, buddy.
Hello?
Hello? There we go. Scrape the edges here. There you have it. Batter done.
It smells like bananas. Like if I were to make bread. It's crazy.
Oh my god. See, that's the thing. You gotta let it cool, because then else it crumbles all sick.
Yeah, let her cool.
Please.
But I'm gonna eat some.
Wow.
Ooh.
Y'all like that as much as I did? Because I loved it. But if you want a little bit, some seconds, maybe a little bit more dessert, check right here. You got it all. The old Jay's cooking. Or some bun hugging. That's nice, huh? Hugging the buns. Oh, sorry. Or listen to some music right here. Exclusive. It's nice stuff. Take a little gander. It's nice. See you soon.